Okay, so in your pack you will have this sheet again, and today we are going to have a look at the decade track. So we're going to have a go at this game today. So you need these decade cards, okay? And once you've found these decade cards, I need you to cut them out for me. So now you've cut them out, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to put them in order. So you have each of your tens here, okay, each of your decades, okay, and you need to now put them in order. Okay, so that's your first job, is to get all your cards out and to put them into order for me. Okay? You should now have your cards like this. So you should have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay? If you don't have them like this, go and get them ready like this just now. Okay, so game one is to have all your cards out, 10 to 100. And for you to turn them over, turn random ones over, and then still be able to count from 10 to 100 without some of the numbers showing. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Also need to practice doing them backwards. So 100, 90, 80, 70, check your right. Yep, 70, 60, 50, are you right? Yep, 40, 30, yep, you're right, all the way down to 20 and to 10. Also turn them over like this, turn them all over like this, and try and find the first one. So that's 90, so that's not 10. And keep going until you find 10. Oh, there's 10. Then can you find 20? So keep going until you can find 20. Oh, there's 20, so 10, 20. Then we need to find 30, and then keep going until you get to 100. So there's 3 games that you can play with your decade cards. So there we have it. That's some games you can play with your decade cards. Now, if you think of any games you could play with your decade cards, just let me know, okay? And then we can add them to the games that we would do in class too. There's lots of different things you could do. You could maybe count up using the into like this. You could do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Count up in 20s. You could move them around. You could do missing numbers. It's completely up to you. But just so you keep practicing and practicing and practicing. That's all it's about. Just keep practicing. So count up in your tens and back in your tens. Lots of different things you could do.